Question: what was the name of the orphan who were raised by Ertugrul parents? So answer is Gorky and Selekan. Next question: what was the name of father of Ertugrul? Answer is Suleiman Shah. Next question: what was the name of Halima's brother? Answer is Yeget. Next question: who is the sister of Halazi, the Sultan of Aleppo? Answer is Layla. Next question: which modern city historically known as Constantinople? Answer is Istanbul. Question number 1. There are more phones than people in West City. Correct answer is Washington. Next question: which US state has the lowest graduate rate? Correct answer of this option is Georgia. Next question: which is the only US state to have been an independent republic? Correct answer is Texas. Next question: where is the Sears Tower? The correct answer is Chicago. Next question: what is the number of states in USA? The correct answer is 50 states.